Them want know when me have a knock, crocodile came and a bus. Knock it, make you light up your light pepper light Christmas or tomorrow. Broke back stab him in a gut. Then to the name cave, climb fly a bag of bat. And who say my channel now grow to the top. Go climb under your mother. No none dead, not the pan me level. Humble not even I know how I do it. I just do it like Marlon or do it like Messi or do it like no one can stop me. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S gave here with another reaction. And today guys, we are doing RA Wrap Up 2020. I say his name, RA or Rap. What you call him? I don't know. Big up yourself, my G. I think this is like a breakdown with what happened in 2020. 2020 has been a mad year for a lot of people, and it's been a good year for a lot of people in somewhat. For me, it's been a good year because I cut off no fake friends. I start do some different things now. You understand? Me do some different things now in my life. It just open up my eye them. I made them tired. Don't do that. You're gonna break your eye brain, yeah. Anyway, we're gonna jump straight in that one here and see what I go on. It take a pause every 10 seconds, because that is what you do over here. So let's go. Ready? Let's get it, man.
This the calm before the storm, before I clotted. Pot of paper came home and his tape charted. Nines dropped crap in a bucket and it charted.
Pot of paper came home and it charted. What you mean? Big up yourself, Potter. Up top!
Storms killed Wiley, it ended before it started. Millions came through Duncan, had the ball up.
What the start to kill while you ended before it started? Ah! Oh, ironic. Oh, ironic. Millions, big up yourself as well, my G. You post one of my video, them. Big up yourself, my G. Utmost respect to you. Hats off, me not take off me hat, but hats off, my G. Up top.
Drop a video in Africa with pure toll ups. Bugsy crashed, had us thinking he was F, but he pulled through. Gotta give thanks for when you're blessed.
Bugsy. God, Bugsy. You see me? God, brother. Learn from my mistake, my G. You see me? Just one of them things, my G. You see me? Take time on the road, and not superstar. If you take time on the road, my G. Respect or no, I'm a rate or no, rate the work when you contribute. But take time within life, my G. A one life I not have. Cherish it, no man. Come on, let's go.
Rowdy rebel down a straight 7, now we touch road. That's how you deal with your brothers. When they come home, unknown T-bus case, free the real niggas.
Unknown T-bus case, free the real niggas. Free the real niggas, them. Man, bus case, not guilty, you runner. Not guilty, what you say?
Adele lost weight, now looking like a real slim as mine. Who you calling your friends? I don't trust, man.
Wait. Adele, you lose so much weight. But you like Adele one time, like, if you see her helicopter.
Oh, no, the kid is not bad that.
That boy for the lick. If you see her, you step up on her ass. I supposed to jiggle. No, it not gonna jiggle like that anymore because she lose too much weight. You know, yard man love the curve in the right places. They have it. Hello from the other side, but they like it. Juggle. Let's go.
Little man took his shahada, that touch man. Football started back, no one in the stadiums. Harvey Weinstein found guilty, little alien.
You look a drunk crow. You look a crow bait. You look a sappy piece of cloth. You look a rat trap. You look a crow. I like you. Dirty man. Dirty thinking man. Because you have whole heap of money, they can delete people girl fitness so. Unscrupulous rat. Perplex my tranquility. Look at you. Drunk crow. Right place you for there. Right place. Prison too good for you. When them pick out your teeth them and your toenail one by one, drunk crow, Mr. Man. One by one. Enough of them rich man out there that them a do. Burn for them, you see. Look on him face. Come on, screen.
Finesse freeze kettle. See the pain in them, cause it was man around them that was close. They were snaking them. Brothers like that, I got 1,000 and a K for them.
Brothers like that, I got 1,000 and a K for them. Obviously, them fake, some fake man did their own young being. I didn't get that story there. So carry on.
Bruzy caught a leg shot, who stand straight again. Casanova got bagged, they incarcerated them. When I
Casanova in some gang thing, brother. When I star in a man. gonna try left out the bad man thing, no, man. You cannot be a bad man, a true bad man where out and do things and a role model and a superstar at the same time. Just know say I got catch up on your dog. Gonna have to try the one.
Heard Black the Ripper died, I was taken in.
R.I.P. Black. R.I.P. Black. R.I.P. Black. That's all me I gotta say. R.I.P.
Yo. First things first, I don't fear no man. 25 out of this Mac with Jammy's program.
First thing first, I don't fear no man. 25 out of this Mac with jamming program. You mean, hey, 25 out of Mac 10 you get in a youth. Youth, know yourself.
Oh, you gotta be certified, then you know, man, your favorite rapper can't chat to me. He a joke, man. Wilder and Fury last year, that was flipping mad.
This was a mad fight. I thought Fury was gonna win. I literally thought Fury was gonna win. Not Fury, Wilder was gonna win. I literally thought Wilder was gonna win, but Fury take it. Well done, Fury. Big up.
I was wrong, I thought Wilder would've did him bad. Good thing I don't bet I would've lost like 50 bags. Fury done his thing. Hats off, he had a different jab. Tight.
Yeah, hats off, he had a different jab. Whoop! Whoop! Whoop, whoop, whoop. So the man do it in the ring, and I said, Lord, look, punch a fly. Without wings. Punch a fly without passport. Watch it now. This is Tyson and what name? Jones.
Sin and Roy Jones gonna get cracking. Still got my money on Tyson, he attacking. Roy looking kinda tired, man, he does his backing. Upset, Dylan lost the other day. Got
boom, book. Yo!
Roy looking kinda tired, man, he does his backing. Upset, Dylan lost.
Ooh, my sleep. He's sleeping. Pillar. Big him up still. Your man is not figuring that ring for a fight. Big him up. You see him still getting money.
The other day got caught lacking, but he represents the bricks, so I'm gonna back him. Anything you hear me say I've done, I'm never capping. Free little bro the other day they...
Anything you hear him say, and do it for real. That's what the boss tell us say. You see me? No capping. You see me? Alright. Get it, let's go.
Always trying to tell him, try to get back into trapping. The UK scene doing well, push your things up. SBTV, GRM and link up.
Big up GRM, SBTV, and link up. Big up on yourself when I put out the content them with the artists them. Like the platform, especially GRM, because I really do a lot of reaction from GRM. GRM, big up on yourself. Especially the editors them, whether the daily dopey, big up on yourself. Me always are going on the props. Big up on yourself because I know I said hard. You see me? Yeah, big up on yourself. I'm gonna push out enough young artists where they have the platform. And the big artists them also.
Only UK platforms holding the ting up. 3 billion body and reds, they got pinned up. Music putting money in my bank, it's the best way.
Best way. The safest way. Legal way. Music I put money in my bank. The best way. Yes, man, I do it the right
Can't forget mixtape madness and press play. Forward on his block, rewind and press play. On the scene, mixtape madness with this SK.
Yeah. Big up mixtape madness and press play to big up on the set.
Why he got cancelled? All because he spoke up. All his so-called friends and no one never spoke up. Cause everybody's running down the dunya, it's so nuts to end.
See it? You see it? Sometimes when you're up, everybody's around you. Everybody's around you. But when time something happens, there's not one person to stand up for your dog. Not one person. Not saying that Stormzy, not saying that Wiley needed somebody to stand up for him. But it just goes to show you. Them people are just things friend. Champagne for my real friend. Real pain for my champ friends, man.
End of the year and look how much man got soaked up. Little brown votes, every day's lucky. Told him more to life and trying to catch a daily duppy.
Daily duppy. Let me just big up Daily Duppy what they saw. Oh, this now IVD. Alright, IVD.
Like I've going in I like a daily duppy. Trying to leave the road alone, I don't want to make a duppy.
IVD. I have a little smart bone to pick against you. I don't know if this is a cow incident, chicken incident, goat incident, hog incident, cat incident, rat incident, fish incident, or bird incident. I don't know what one is. But when you drop your Daily Duppy, I was cheering for your girl. I was cheering for your girl. Even when the other girl them try send shots after you, I never react. Yes, I did react to one of them, but me never did I give them the strength to me that give you. Cause me did really feel you're daily duppy. Alright, boom. All said and done. The video up on YouTube. All good. When Lady Leisha drop her DIV this way, I'm a cheer for Lady Leisha because I want you to reply. You see me? All of a sudden, the video gone. The video gone. IVD daily duppy gone. IVD, what me did to you in life? Eh? IVD, me nyam your command fall? Me nyam your white fall? Eh? Why the team take down my video? Why you take down my video? Eh? Me not understand. Explain to me. What me do in life, me a good youth? Me not understand ya, man. Come here, man.
Me and Sammy in the range, banging demon time. I'm still shocked about Dutch, this is serious times. Cause I'm confused, is it the truth or is it really lies?
Me not comment on this. Me leave this right here, sir. Me leave this right here, sir.
You back and never really mind, but I don't play that shit again, I stay G for life. People around me catch bodies, put that on my breathing life. Boom.
Me really want to say something on the Dutch thing, but me really don't want to say it. That is why I leave it there so a while ago. Me really want to say something, but me not really want to say nothing. Yeah, you don't get to me I try to say? No, not even me get it. Let's go.
My wife to yours, she'll be mad if she sees the price. I've been home, but I'm still screaming free the guys. All this nonsense talk is a big thing.
That boy, yeah. That boy, wait.
Full try grab the little girl.
Wait.
Still screaming free the guys. All this nonsense talk is a big thing. Full try grab the little girl off in Mitcham.
That little boy there, see? That boy there, see? I try to grab the little school girl, you see? Well done to the girl where call him out and follow him. If I never she, who knows what would have happened? Little nonce. Goated.
That was my sibling, clapping with a big thing. Gotta keep an eye on your kids, they'll turn victims.
Yo, if I'm my daughter, me clap him with the big thing too, brother. Me clap him with the big thing. I'm not joke. You can't see me little daughter go to school, or my little sister go to school, or my little cousin go to school, and you go try do them thing there, brother. Them thing they get me mad, curse, hungry, miserable like bounty killer, man. Let's go, man.
I'm a black king, so I got a black queen. They gave us crack and put us in the crack scene. They gave us guns and clips, got slapped teen. Now
true. The system, dog. The system, brother. The system give it the crack and put in it. Because if you think about it, who are the big smuggler them in the UK or in the world? Not the higher people, them, man. But for them name not call, I name a call night. When me say I mean we look then so small fries don't get so be.
Now all of a sudden they hit us with this vaccine. Trillery and no lay. They ain't playing no games. Trillery good, but I'm still giving it to no lay.
You know, so me never react to them song, huh? Me never react to them song, you know. Me never react to them. If you want me to do a reaction to Nole and Chinnery beef, let me know, please. Because I see it, I say, yo, me can't bother with the controversy. Me love it, but me never react to it. Me love it, me can't bother with it. I love it, but I didn't react to it. I didn't listen to them song either. So, if you want me to react, leave it in the comment section.
Lyrically, she better. I'm just honest, throwing no shade. Just got off the yacht, I had to pack away my boat shades. Stormzy and Chip, you tell me who's the beast. Put
Hey, him gonna stand and Chip, well, that is obvious. That happened in 2020. It's
up
obvious.
at man's yard, it's not even that deep. No rapper can't draw me out, could never be that peak. Cause if I'm stepping out, I ain't sneak dissing on no beats.
Yeah, the man tell us, say, no rapper can draw me out. No rapper can draw me out. Sometimes you shouldn't pull up. You shouldn't pull up. That's where me been, I say. You shouldn't pull up like that, brother. You see me? Yeah, dog. Go find a studio and drop a couple songs about it, brother.
Oh, rest in peace to the fallen. I know how it gets in the streets when you put your all in. Had to go bust my gun when the streets were calling. Anytime I went to a dance, I got my tool in.
Yeah. Anyway, my gun can't go, me now go. Man like me, they were killing for joke. Laugh and bust off your blood clot throat. In front of the police, them at the airport. You want to see me? Hey. Man say, anyway, him gun. Anyway, him gun basically now.
Hard to make that transition in the game. Heady and Tion, they got it cracking on the plane. You got rappers that rap, and then there's rappers that will rain.
Eddie and Tion have a little beef on the plane. That never looked too good. That never looked too good as two rappers, guy. That anything you know have, it can't be that volatile if you take it out. Like No, playing my G, man. Come on.
It's mad cause both sides will slap it on the mains. Anytime I'm in the hood, it's always on deck, 80 bus off. Little bro always got it or a wavy cut off.
Little bro, I got it already. Which part is Dubai? Want to go Dubai now? Want to go Dubai? Can somebody pay for my ticket to go Dubai? I want to go to Dubai.
Dubai this year was kind of crazy, brother. Notes went viral, guy bigged up his baby mother. Rappers nearly got in the ring, they're putting cash up.
There's so much things I'm missing in 2020. I'm glad to miss it to you, man, because I was busy worrying about coronavirus to Raz.
If J Spade's gonna fight 80 racks up, hype on C-Biz, wanted to see that matchup. Never happened due to complications, I was gassed up.
Okay, so a couple rappers did that go out it on social media and say them want to do it in the ring. Me respect that. Me respect that. At least when I not take it out violently upon the street, dog. You see me? Yeah, not the ring, bring not the ring. You see me?
Rest in peace, King Von, you fella king. He's done, should've dealt with that instead of him. He used to feed all these brothers like, yo, come take a ting. That's
R.I.P. King Von. I'm here the party again. R.I.P. G. Big up yourself.
He's done, should've dealt with that instead of him. He used to feed all these brothers like, yo, come take a ting. That's
yeah, you done shoulda did that with that. But like what I said earlier on, when I really get in a trouble and push come to shove, dog, I just you alone are gonna have your own back, you know. So try remember that part there. Just you alone gonna have your own back. Try
some thoroughbred shit. I have to respect the thing. Feds killed George Floyd at taking a piss. Whole world started rioting. Hate for the pigs. See.
This was the hardest story. This was the hardest thing for me in a 2020. This was the hardest thing for me to watch in a 2020. This was the yo, forget about little COVID. This bigger than COVID to me, dog. This was a disgrace. Or the man them kill George. This touch every person. Yo, Jano.
B got bagged when he got chased by the pigs, free him up. I really had to take them risks. Went Joe, they tore down the states where I live.
Who got bag? Yo, the video is 17 minutes long. Me not go bridge.
Radio don't play, man. Ain't that bitch. Kenny's the only one that plays, man. Shit, I'm the goat of this thing. How 8 man rich.
Big up Kenny, All-Star. Big up yourself, dog. You're the man that big up there because you're the only one who play them songs here. You see me, pan?
You know I don't take back chat cause I'm the guy. Always gotta tell the truth, could never lie. Charlie was spinning man shit out in Dubai, and the man him spent over 20.
Ooh. Yo, Charlie. Put it in there. Big up yourself, man. What did you say? Yo, let's go again, man. Big up yourself, Charlie. Big up yourself. Big up the G, my rep female to Dubai.
I'll be asked with a 2-shot dotty, I bring the spaz out. Jordan did a fire in the booth and he spazzed out. And he's innocent to tell the boy them let scraps out.
Jordan fire in the boat. I don't react to it yet, guys. If I'm react to that also, leave in the comment section. I haven't react to it yet. I haven't watched it yet. Me see it, but I'm gonna react to it. Some is here. Sometimes I will see something, I don't watch it unless I'm reacting.
You could never hear I sold my soul for no rap clout. Maradona dropped out. Jada done Will Smith dirty during lockdown.
That let's go. That itself was a situationship. That was a situationship. Let's go, man.
Thought it was the ideal couple, I guess not now. First time I heard of entanglement, what a pop down. Gigs disappeared, had you thinking he was gone forever.
Did Gig disappear? Me never know Gig disappear.
Then he came back out the blue and dropped now or never. Everyone was throwing block parties to enjoy the weather. Gave a day pass to the block, think ours was better.
Everybody at your Black Party. When was this? Was this in the summer? When was this? The party look
push, but it came through no matter what they say. Once you're real, you still remain you. Allegedly Tory bun Megan went straight through, but everyone's stories are different. So is it fake news?
Is it fake news? Is it fake news? Tory shoot Megan. Is it fake news? I'm gonna touch on the Pop Smoke one now. This was a tragic.
Pop Smoke was the new wave, never last long. Made real niggas in the club get their dance on. Flew out the city and got killed. What a chance gone.
Chance gone for real. Chance gone for real. What a waste. What a waste. Like, if if you not rob the man, you know rob the man and go on when I go, man. When if you kill the man for? I understand that, man.
Posted a pic with his addy and he got sparked. 21 savage brothers from the south hit them bait flats. It's mad Kai lost his life, not a game act.
21 Savage brother dead in London also. You see that? You see that? That was a terrible news. That was a terrible news.
21 a millionaire, he already claimed that. So how you leave your brother in the hood? I don't rate that.
Yeah! No rate that 21 Savage. No rate that, brother. You're a millionaire, dog. You claim that. Or you leave your brother in the wood, say, my brother. You better for them by your side. You better for them by your side, brother. No matter how you live one time, only the young, brother, we are big man now, we understand life more. You have to be on my side. Why are you out in that? 21 Savage, you're a waste man to you, dog. I'm in a business, you know.
6'9", F69, he a big rat. Stinks came home, that's bro, you know we lived that.
You think I'm gonna let that go? You think I'm gonna let that go?
He won a millionaire, he already claimed that. So how you leave your brother in the hood? I don't rate that.
Waste man, like me say, 21 Savage, if you watch this, you're a waste man, brother. Your brother should have been by your side, dog.
6'9", F69, he a big rat. Stinks came home, that's bro, you know we lived that. H Money, the big league, that's big facts.
Yo, what's the F69 is a big rat. Weak. One big dirty rat. You look a junk cryo. Who's this guy?
DZ Mills told Lani to sit back. Conan cleared his name. Told you it's the last time. Rest in peace. Muscle got his gun from a car ride.
Oh, RIP Muscle. Let me see put that in one track. I think it was Fredo that put that in one track. Big up Fredo.
Hard at freestyle slaps like a star 9. Banging out M-Dot. Bust down in my fast ride. I like Dave. He a lyrical G. Can't forget.
Dave is a lyrical G. Dave performance. Was it the Brit Awards? Fire.
IKEA and DEE in the music, trying to get a central P best.
Huh? I didn't get that bar, but I'm not pulling top. That one I went
Newcomer, have to say Central C. Nigeria went through hard times, it was so stressed.
Central C, big up yourself. I did react to one of your songs them. This was crazy as well in Nigeria. This was mad. 2020 was that crazy year, like me say. There's so much crap going on, man.
People tried to speak out and it goes left. Feds started killing off man because they protest. What kind of bullshit's that? Should have been no deaths.
You see it? All of this go on in Nigeria, see? And there's not one first world leader take it up on them head to intervene and try to protect the people them from this brutal government system, from this brutal system that them have in Nigeria and the rest of the world. Nobody, no Canada, no America, no Germany, no Russia, no England. We're not there. When the people them need them, which part of the day? Crowbait. Look on picky Barris. Where you say now, drunk, bro?
Now they're trying to kill off everyone with corona. Have to wear a mask now everywhere. It's over.
This mask thing is mask thing also. When I read this mask thing, people, you can't breathe properly, you know? You cannot breathe properly. Yo.
Wearing the mask ain't new to a real soldier. Used to wear it anyway when I'm whapping off my revolver. 9s drop crop circle, piss how it ended and the essence too. Gotta wait now.
Yo, yeah. Digga, let me hear something about Digga.
Freestyles recommended. Tiny Boost dropped another mixtape. It was cemented. Rap man doing his thing. He had to hustle though. Pay.
Rap man, big up yourself, dog. Rap man. Yo, that's big. That's big, brother. That's big. Rap man. Hats off to you, MG. Big up yourself, dog.
Paid off. Now he's doing films with Russell Crowe. Rimsy going in, I can't lie. Like the hustle flow. I really had a hand thing that will lift up a buffalo. Big up, Rimsy, big up yourself. The man said, listen, we really have a hand thing that will lift up a buffalo. Yo, that powerful enough? The hand thing, the powerful enough, brother? Jaja. Video in my hood, I got the hammer. Do your work. First man to have a rifle in the manor.
Do your work. First man to have a rifle in the manor. Do your work. Rifle the manor bus, dog. Rifle.
Little bro, M24, he done a Mazza. Every tune he dropped so far has been a banger.
Cho. M24, big up. M24, you had a good year, brother. You had a good year.
Bro came home, kept his morals 100. Now everything we do in life is 100. Lifestyle 100. My clothes is 100.
That's okay. Okay, me see where I go with the merchant thing. Yeah, that looks good.
And if it gets deep, we got that shit with 100. Cause you ain't never had weight and had to lift none. Have you? And you ain't never had flake and had to split none. Have
you never had weight and had to lift none. You never had flake and had to split none. He's talking about the trap life, yes, I know. It's not normal weight and normal flake. I know cornflakes the man attack. It's not cornflakes he's talking about. It's not weightlifting when in the gym he's talking about. Try know that, yeah?
And you ain't never had a shh with a big drum. 21, look out for Convo, the fifth one.
Yo, this year's been a madness.
Well on. Him say 21 look out for Convo, the fifth one. So him dropped some Convo already? Me I forgot. Do me research.
Hold your head. Rest in peace to the fallen.
Yo, yo, see that, that part of deep. I don't know what going. I don't know. Too much grades. Watch ya. Debo, all Debo dead. Oh, Caroline Flack though. Yo. Yo, this was a sick video. This was a sick concept. The storyline is, everything is true. Yo, to put a song like this together for so long, it is mad. I know this is a long reaction. If you watch to the end, I just want to say big up on yourself. If you watch to the end of the reaction, hashtag END in the comment section. Also, guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys, if you haven't done so already. 2021, let's see if we can reach to what? 10K? Wait, what do you think? We can reach to 10K by 2021 done? Can we reach to 10K subs over here, so? What do you think? Tell me what you think in the comment section, alright? So guys, thank you for watching and I'll see you guys in the next one, man. Alright?